Obstacle avoidance is an essential safety net that allows pilots to focus on capturing the perfect cinematic shot rather than worrying about the structural integrity of their aircraft. Here we have 4 best drones with obstacle avoidance.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro stands as the definitive leader in the sub-249 grams category, offering a level of protection that was previously reserved for much larger enterprise drones. Its primary strength lies in its omnidirectional obstacle sensing, which utilizes 4 wide-angle vision sensors and 2 downward vision sensors to detect hurdles from every conceivable angle. This 360-degree field of vision is paired with the Advanced Pilot Assistance System, which allows the drone to not only stop before an impact but to autonomously plan a smooth path around obstacles in real time. This makes it an exceptional tool for complex tracking shots, as the Active Track 360 feature can follow a subject through dense environments while the drone independently navigates its surroundings. For creators who need high-end 4K video and the peace of mind that comes with total spatial awareness, this model remains the industry gold standard. On number 2, we have DJI Mini 3 Pro. As the predecessor that paved the way for lightweight safety, the DJI Mini 3 Pro remains a highly relevant and powerful choice for pilots who prioritize a balance of cost and performance. While it does not feature the full omnidirectional coverage of the newer model, it provides robust tri-directional obstacle sensing that covers the forward, backward, and downward directions. This setup is incredibly effective for most standard flight paths, providing a reliable buffer during landing and when flying through narrow paths. The sensors are seamlessly integrated into the drone's aerodynamic body, ensuring that the aircraft remains stable even in moderate winds. For many hobbyists, this level of protection is more than sufficient, offering a significant upgrade over entry-level drones while maintaining the ultra-portable folding design that made the Mini series famous. It continues to be a favorite for those who want a proven, high-performance camera drone that is easy to manage. On number 3, we have Raignv S119 drone. The Raignv S119 is a compelling entry in the market for users who seek advanced safety features without the premium price tag associated with flagship brands. It distinguishes itself by utilizing an intelligent laser-based obstacle avoidance system that can be mounted to the top of the aircraft. Fly farther with an extended control range of up to 2,000 meters. Enjoy smooth, real-time HD video through a 5G screen remote, digital relay transmission, or smartphone FPV, delivering clear, stable images even over long distances. The built-in GPS supports one-key return, low battery return, and lost signal return for worry-free flying. Intelligent flight modes, such as Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Circle Fly, make hands-free aerial filming simple and creative. Dual front and bottom cameras feature a 120 degrees wide-angle lens and a 0 to 90 degrees adjustable gimbal. Optical flow positioning and an auxiliary lens provide stable hovering and sharp, detailed footage. High-performance brushless motors ensure efficient, quiet operation and longer lifespan. Smart obstacle avoidance sensors help prevent collisions, while one-key takeoff/landing and altitude hold make the drone easy to control, even for beginners. On number 4, we have DCX Volo XEZ drone. For those looking for a sophisticated, AI-driven flight experience, the DCX Volo XEZ drone introduces high-tech LiDAR sensors into the consumer space. This 360-degree obstacle detection system is specifically engineered to help the drone navigate tight, enclosed spaces where traditional vision-based sensors might struggle due to low light or reflective surfaces. The DCX Volo emphasizes an EZ or easy flying philosophy, using its AI-assisted flight control to manage the complexities of stabilization and collision prevention automatically. Be sure to remove the foam padding beneath the camera before first use to ensure the gimbal moves freely and operates safely. Flying the drone with the padding still in place may restrict movement and could cause damage. Equipped with 360 degrees obstacle detection powered by LiDAR sensors, this 4K camera drone helps avoid collisions even in tight spaces. Designed for adult pilots, it is FAA Remote ID compliant, allowing confident and responsible flight. The controller features a built-in screen paired with a 4K camera and 3-axis gimbal. capturing ultra-clear, stable footage. So these are some of the best drones to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.